By versus until is very confusing. A lot of people have difficulty knowing which one to use. So in this lesson, we will learn how to use by versus until. So let's get started with the lesson, shall we? First, let's look at the word until. We use the word until to talk about a time that is starting now until a deadline. So from now until the end of that period, until the deadline. Now, by is different. By means I'm only talking about the deadline. It's the final point. Okay, so until is the total period of time from now until the deadline. And by is only talking about the deadline. Let's look at an example. Let's look at my time when I used to live in LA. I began to live in LA in 2000. And the end of my time in LA was 2010. So if we're talking about this total period of time, then I would use until. So I lived in LA until 2010. Now let's look at by. By is talking about a deadline. For example, today my boss told me that I must finish my project. And the deadline is today at 5 p.m. So we're talking about the final point, the deadline. So my sentence would be, I must finish my project by 5 p.m. The best way to know if you understand whether you use by and until is to actually try using it. So let's start with the active part of this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to put some sentences onto the screen, and there will be a blank spot. I want you to choose by or until. Number 1, wait here, I get back. Wait here until I get back. Okay, so it's a total period of time that I'm waiting. I'm waiting from now until I get back. Number 2, we have to finish the assignment 2 p.m. We have to finish the assignment by 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. is the deadline. I stayed up 2 a.m. I stayed up until 2 a.m. Total period of time. I'm very busy, so I can't see you next week. I can't see you until next week. Please call me 8 p.m. at the latest. Please call me by 8 p.m. at the latest. The photos should be developed Thursday. The photos should be developed by Thursday. Okay, so how did everyone do? Did you get all of those right? If you didn't, rewatch the video, rewatch my explanation. I also have a short out on this video where you can test yourself on by versus until. So make sure you watch that too. And if you like this video and if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. All right, so until I post that next video, see ya.